Welcome back, everyone.
We are filling up these blanks with the correct form of verbs. Here is also a passage, and we have to fill up the blanks with the correct forms of verbs in this passage. If you read this paragraph, you can understand that this can be written in the past tense. The entire paragraph can be written in the past tense, and it denotes that this incident has already happened. Now see, the European thrill have been thrilled, was thrilled to have seen, see, saw such grand celebration during Durga Puja in West Bengal. This part of this passage is addressing that in a Durga Puja, the European means a particular person, individual person. Here it is addressing a European has enjoyed very much, and he was charmed by the grand celebration during the Durga Puja in West Bengal. So here we can write the European was thrilled. Here thrilled means he was charmed to see such grand celebration during the Durga Puja in West Bengal. Actually, we have to use right here see because after to this preposition we have to write the present form of a verb. So we have to write here see. Now see this part. He mesmerized, was mesmerized, mesmerizes by the idea of our local club, and even had, has, have rice and mutton. Here, mesmerized means hypnotized or dominate the attention of an individual person. So here we can write he was mesmerized. বাংলায় মেসমেরাইজড কথাটার অর্থ হচ্ছে সম্মোহিত করা বা অবাক করে দেয়া বা আমরা যেটাকে বলি হিপনোটাইজ করে দেয়া বাই দ্য আইডিয়া অফ আওয়ার লোকাল ক্লাব অ্যান্ড ইভেন we shall select here had. Here had means ate, eating something. বাংলায় had মানে এখানে বলা হচ্ছে যে সে খেয়েছিল. What did he have? Rice and mutton. Here we have to select also an option from these three options: serve, serves, served by the club on Navami. Here by the club, this is so this part of the sentence is in passive voice, so we have to select here served. This is the past participle form of the main verb serve, so we have selected here served. Served by the club on Navami. This Navami means a particular day of Durga Puja. So this was the discussion in today's class. If you like this video, then give a like for this video and share this video. We're coming with the next video. Thank you all.